Hi, my name is Shakil Hussain. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall or remove apps and program from your Windows 10. So let's start. First you need to select start button. This is start button. Click on it and then select setting icon. This is the setting icon. Click on it. It will show you a app option. You see that this is the apps. Click on it and select a apps and feature from here. Now if you want to uninstall or remove a app, just you have to select from this list. Right now I'm going to uninstall. This is 3G mobile hotspot. Let's uninstall this application. Uninstall price. It will ask you in a pop-up for confirmation uninstalling process. Press yes and press yes. So some application will ask you some question. You just need to read that and just you need to confirm that yes, and when it will be finished, you will get a notification like this. So you see the app is already removed from my application list. The apps feature, that apps is not available here. So this is you can remove or uninstall any unwanted software from your computer.